Millions of women are affected by PCOS worldwide, but did you know that most of the diet that makes it more worse instead of fixing it? As a fitness and nutrition coach, I have trained dozens of women transform their health by following the right diet for PCOS. Today I am breaking down that diet in this video, which will help you in hormonal imbalance, acne, hair loss and fast weight gain. Let's get into it. PCOS isn't just about your irregular periods. It affects your hormones, your skin, your hair and your weight gain, even your mental health also. But here's the worst part. PCOS effects makes it harder to lose weight, even if you eat completely healthy. But the good news is, by the right diet, you can completely change this. I have coached women who were struggling with PCOS for years. They have tried everything, keto diet, fasting, but nothing worked for them until they change what they ate. Here's exactly what worked for them, I will tell you. First, let's lay down PCOS-friendly diet food. Number one, there are a few pointers. I will just tell you those. So number one will be no processed sugar in your diet, completely out of your diet. Second, there should be balanced carbs, no high side or no low side. Number three, high protein and good fats in your diet. Number four, which you can add additionally, it's Ayurvedic herbs which will help you in speed up the process. So these are the PCOS-friendly diet foods that we have to follow. Now let's break it down by meal. Low carb diet. Here's what a perfect day of eating for PCOS looks like, based on my best client transformation. Starting with your breakfast. In your breakfast, there should be high protein and low index glycemic carbs, which includes almond milk, chia seeds, eggs, and moong dal chila. Now comes to the lunch. In your lunch, there should be more fiber and healthy fat, which includes brown rice, paneer, avocado, and dal. After that comes your snacks to control your sugar levels, which includes nuts, seeds, green tea. Now final with the dinner, there should be light dinner which helps you in anti-inflammatory, which includes sabji, roti and herbal tea. Now, even within 2 weeks, my clients start to noticing differences, which includes low bloating, more energy, better digestions. But it wasn't all easy. Let's be honest, this wasn't all smooth sailing. Biggest struggles we faced, now I'm going to tell you, are the three. Number one is cutting sugar. It's in everything. You can take anything and it includes sugar. Number two, cravings. The first 5 days will be the toughest one you will face in your diet journey. Number final will be third, social life. Eating out was a challenge. Like whether it's guests coming at house or you're going out with your friends or anything, that's the main problem when you're starting any kind of diet. But I found some hacks to make it easier, like swapping normal desserts for dark chocolate and dates instead of sugar-loaded sweets. And this is what most people get it wrong. This is where things start to get exciting after 4 weeks. Number one, your skin start to glow. No more deep acne. Hair fall reduce. Better mood and more energy in your body. This is why this all works. It controls your insulin resistance, balance your hormones and reduces the inflammation in your body. But this is where most people get it wrong. Now we will bust some common myth about PCOS diet. Myth number one, PCOS diet is equal to no carb. No, you need carbs, but the right one. Whole grains are better than white. Myth number two, you just need to eat less. Calorie reduction alone won't help you. It's hormonal balance that matters more. Myth number three, dairy is always bad. For some, yes, but fermented dairy like curd can actually help you in your gut. So after coaching multiple women with PCOS, here's my verdict. Does it work? Yes. Is it sustainable? Yes, with smart swaps. Would I recommend it? 100%. If you are struggling with PCOS, this is where you start. Everything you need is given in this video. Comment below with your biggest PCOS struggle you face. And if you want a step-by-step meal plan for your PCOS diet, DM me on my Instagram, which is included in my description box. Thank you. See you in the next video.